In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the JDK or Java Development Kit on Windows 10, whether you're a beginner getting started with Java programming or looking to update your development environment. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the download process. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Oracle website. You can do this by typing Oracle JDK download into your search engine, or you can go directly to the link provided in the description below. Oracle provides the latest versions of Java, and downloading from the official site ensures you're getting the most secure and up-to-date version. Once you're on the Oracle website, you'll see various options for different JDK versions available for download. Depending on your needs, you might want to choose the latest version for new features, or an older one if you're working on a specific project that requires it. Remember to check any compatibility issues based on the applications you intend to run, as some may require specific versions of the JDK. After you've selected the version that suits your needs, hover over the download link. This is usually clearly marked, making it easy to find. Click on it to start the download process. It's worth noting that the JDK files can be quite large, so make sure you have sufficient space on your hard drive and that your internet connection is stable. The download may take a few minutes. While waiting for the download to complete, let's quickly discuss why the JDK is essential. The Java Development Kit is a critical tool for anyone involved in Java development. It contains all the tools you need to compile, debug, and run Java applications. Having it installed on your system is vital if you plan to write and manage Java code efficiently. Once the download is finished, it's a good practice to verify the integrity of the downloaded file. This ensures the file wasn't corrupted during the download process. You can do this by comparing the checksum provided by Oracle with the one generated for your downloaded file. This step, although optional, adds an extra layer of security to your setup. And there you have it, you've successfully downloaded the JDK onto your Windows 10 machine. The next step would be to install it, which we'll cover in an upcoming video. Keep an eye out for that if you're interested in completing the setup process and starting your Java development journey. Remember to like and subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful, and feel free to ask any questions in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.